Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to be draining my differential fluid, and then I'm going to be putting in some more differential fluid, which I am going to be putting in some Redline 75W90 limited slip gear oil. So I picked up a gallon because the fluid in here, it's really old. So I'm gonna put that in. Once the car is drivable, I'm gonna drive it around maybe 3 oil changes, or whenever I have to change the transmission fluid, because it is a brand new transmission. So whenever I change that, I'm probably going to change the differential fluid. That way it cycles out any of the old crap that was in there. So yeah, let's get to it. So whenever you're doing this, you have your fill plug here, and then you have your drain plug right here. You want to make sure that you can open up your fill plug, because if you can't do that, you're in big trouble. Okay, so you're gonna need a 24mm socket, and let's see if it comes off. Ugh. All right, let me get my brake bar on there. Okay, I think I got it. Yep. The fill plug is free, and then let's get to the drain plug. All right, so I got the drain bolt loosened, I got the fill plug loosened. Let's go ahead and drain this. This is going to be stinky. And then take out your fill plug, that way it can drain faster. I do have a lot of metal on that magnet, so that's not so good. So we're gonna let that drain, and then we'll come back to it. All right, the differential is all drained. Now I just need to fill it. So you can get yourself one of these pumps. They're pretty inexpensive. I think at most these are like 20 bucks. This one, I believe it's a gallon attachment, so I can literally just throw this on my gallon and then just pump it until it's full. Now, when you're filling this up and you're like, oh, I don't know if it's full or not, you're gonna put your differential fluid in there, and then when you start seeing it come out of the fill plug, just a little bit, it'll start to pour out just a smidge bit. That's when you know it's full. Before we continue, we're going to torque down the drain plug to 36 foot-pounds, and then whenever your differential is full, you're also going to torque down the fill plug to 36 foot-pounds. And ideally, you want to replace the crush washers that are on here, but I don't have any that fits it. Plus, I'm also going to be draining it in the future pretty soon, so I'm not too worried about it leaking for right now, but just keep that in mind if you're doing this on your own. All right, that's tight. And I believe if you're just buying like single bottles, I think you're gonna need about a little over 2 bottles. So pick up 3. All right, and you see how a little bit of fluid is coming out? It's perfect. All right, now I'm gonna torque it down, and then I'll be done. And then you can just spray it down with some brake parts cleaner, just to clean it up. And there you go. That's how you drain and refill the fluid in your differential on your MK3 Supra, or any differential actually. That's going to conclude it for me for today. So if you guys liked the video, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. Peace.